Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the superscript on your Microsoft PowerPoint web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the superscript option in your Microsoft PowerPoint web, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just going to type X, Y, Z like that, or you can also type whatever that you want. So here I just going to type X, Z and Y. Okay, so here I just want a superscript like X square plus Z square plus Y square. Okay, so I should be type it as capital, so you will have this visibility of the superscript. Okay, now I just going to select this, and you will have this option here itself, or you can just use it on here. So this is called superscript. It is near the highlight option on the home section of the font. You just click this, so automatically it changes to the superscript, which is X square, Z square plus Y square like this. And if you continuously you just typing, it will on the superscript. So if you want to turn it off, you just want to turn off this, so you just want to turn it off like clicking here, and it will be goes to the normal position. So this you just want to select this and it is turned off, and now you just type, it will be on normal. So this is how you just use the superscript on your Microsoft PowerPoint web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.